2 terabyte Samsung 990 Pro PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2 SSD. It says it has this speed. I don't think so. We're gonna record that for sure. Yes, 2 terabyte opening. Same thing. 9. Okay, I already cut it. There it is in its glorious case. And just pry it open here. Good. It was easier the first time. Okay. And then there it is. And of course it's the 2280 size, the length there. Okay, and the documents are underneath. So let's say different languages. I wonder what this actually is. Installation guide. Wow, look how thick it is. So is there that many different languages? Let's see if we can cut this without ripping. Okay, maybe there's like 12 languages? What do you think? Let's see. Legal disclaimer. Fine print. Oh my goodness, sorry about that. I can't even read it either. Fine print. Oh. What's that? Oh, some software maybe? Some free software. Magic software. We'll find that out later. Okay. So I guess here's the languages. So what is that? Czech? Let's just start from the beginning here. So it's probably oh, there's the installation part. Oh, the other one was coded. Okay, so if you want to see that, I don't know if that's quite interesting. Most of us know you got to put it in. Okay, so warranty. Oh yeah, what is the warranty? I think it's like probably 5 years or so since it's the Pro. That's a good question. I don't see I'm assuming 5 years. Korean. Let's see, English, Australian, Korean. Let's see, what's that? Chinese. Chinese, Taiwan, I guess. Yeah, either way. What's this? Italiano. Norwegian and Finland. Wow, like I said, probably 11 languages. Is that Portugal? Portugal is different than Spanish, so. And what is that, Turkish? Yep, Turkish. And Russian. Am I wrong? There's more. Is that Ukraine? Is that what that is? Sweden. And I don't know that one. GRC Greek or something. Wow. Anyways, there's a lot of different languages in here in this installation guide. So, all right. Next, I will be installing and setting in. Okay. Okay, you guys know from earlier, I did have this ASIC, and I did have the 980 in this, but now it wasn't running. It was the burst speed of 2 at first, and then it slowed down to only 200, but the read was at 2000. So I wanted to get the 990 Pro and see if it's going to run faster in this ASIC. And remember, this has a switch for the fan, and then this is supposed to be the Thunderbolt 4 at 40 gigabytes per second, and this is how you open it if you haven't opened it. Of course, the fan thing. So it says open on the other end, and there is a little metal. It's kind of hard to see. I don't know, a little extra metal there. So when you just you could just push it up. Let me make sure I grab it. Just push it up. It's just sort of these little balls of ball bearings, I guess you could say. I don't know if you see it, with maybe a little magnet again there, but see, it's little indentations for the little bearings or something to go in, and then it fits kind of snugly. All right, well, we're gonna put the new one in. I already had put the ball pin in this rubber stopper when I had this in. So I'm just gonna pull it out and put the new one in. So what you want to do is there's a little notch. Make sure you have the notch in there first. So it's like this. Oops, sorry, probably can't see anything. So it's like this. Then of course we all know you put this in at a little angle and hit it snug, so it's just like this. But you'll know if you don't put it in, you just put it in and it only goes like this, that means it's not in all the way. So you just have to hear it click. So let's see if we can hear it. Yeah, then you see no gold and you know it's in. And of course then you would line it up into the hole and it just goes in. And of course you can see it's pretty snug. And then if you have this and you're having trouble to put it back on and which side goes which and you mixed it up or something, I look at this. See, this little notch is not as big as this notch. And remember that the one side has the open side. Well, what I do is I put the bigger notch. This one's barely see, of course. The bigger notch at the open, so when you do see this notch here, you can actually fling it open. So just match up the other end and put it down and then snug. So I don't know if you can see it, but see there's that little catch, little notch on the notch, and then another notch. This one has hardly none because it's flush. Yep, it's completely flush. If you had it other way, it would be flush, but this one has more of a a catch that you can bring up. So it's quite easy. I've had it several on and off. Plus it's flush now, and then the rubber feet. And there you go. Okay, next I'll show you the speed.